Want to know how to disable or enable notifications on Kimi on your phone? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up Kimi on your phone. You can just simply install it, and we have also created a video on how to install as well as log into Kimi, so make sure to watch that. So once I've done that, you should be provided with this interface, and in order to enable or disable notification, you can do it from the app directly. There is no hectic with it. So on the top left side, you should be seeing this hamburger icon right here. So simply select that, and now once you have selected the hamburger icon, here you should be seeing your profile on the left side. So simply select that. So now once you have selected your profile, here you can just simply see various profiles that are available for you, and now you can just simply, here you should be seeing notification settings right below feature management. So you can just simply select that. And now here you can just simply select it if it's disabled, and you can just simply enable it by just simply selecting enable, just like this right here. So in order to disable it, it's the same process as well. You can just simply enable and disable it accordingly, and that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.